Welcome. In this video, you will learn how to save all your sent media on WhatsApp Web on your PC using the new update. If you've ever struggled to download your own photos, videos, or files from chats, this new method makes it quick and organized. First, open WhatsApp Web on your browser and log into your account as usual. Once it loads, look to the left side of the screen. You will see a menu with different icons. Click on the media icon on the left side menu to open the media section. Here, choose media to see all the media files linked to your account. This is where you can find the photos, videos, and other files you've exchanged. To focus only on media that you have sent, go to the top of the window and click on the sort icon. From the sort options, choose you. This will filter the results and show only the media that you personally sent, making it much easier to find what you want to save without scrolling through everything. Next, look at the top of the window again and click on the select icon. This will let you choose multiple files at once. Now go through the media and click on all the items you want to save to your computer. After selecting your media, click on the Save As icon. A window will pop up on your PC asking where you want to store these files. Choose the path or folder where you want everything to be saved, then click Save. That is all you need to do. With this new WhatsApp Web update, saving your own sent media on your PC is faster, more organized, and only takes a few clicks.